Yeah, I know we're focusing on documentation during this webinar, but we really see, value across the project cycle, like I alluded to before. After field verification, and we're usually the ones first on the site, so it's our job to capture everything that exists, not just for us, but for the wider design team, at least to get started and get placeholder geometry in place. And but that scan really becomes a design tool between us and the client as well, being able to jump into that sort of walkthrough and occupy the space virtually the way that you would in real life. I think is just so much more immersive than looking at a 2D drawing and hoping that everybody's on the same page about how that manifests spatially. I'm an architect. I'm licensed. I know how to interpret those drawings, and I've had a lot of practice looking at them and translating them in my mind to 3D space. But no matter what I come up with, it will never be as accurate as actually viewing a 3D space in 3 dimensions.